The visualization pipeline is a server-based tool that allows users to import 3D CAD data, automatically optimizing and preparing it for use in an extended reality environment. In this example, a JT model is being uploaded and prepared for Unity and Autodesk VRED via the simple drag-and-drop interface. In addition to Theorem's own apps, the visualization pipeline provides a capability for users who require 3D assets for many other applications. Once the VRED file has been generated, the visualization pipeline will automatically load the application. The 3D CAD model, with a full product structure and materials table, is loaded directly into VRED. In VRED, the materials have been rendered accurately, so the model appears to be more realistic. Similarly, Unity users can create FBX assets which can easily be downloaded from the visualization pipeline, ready to load directly into Unity. Again, the CAD data is imported with a full product structure. This provides the benefit of being able to utilize your 3D CAD assets in your Unity projects.